They crashed again and again, but each failure brought them closer to the sky. Two brothers, united by a dream, push their early wooden aircraft against the wind. The sun dips lower, casting golden hues over their ambitious creation. With a deep breath, they embrace the moment of truth. The engines roar to life, a symphony of hope and ambition. They begin to roll, gaining speed on the sandy runway. Time slows as the wheels lift off the ground. For the first time, they taste the freedom of the skies. The brothers share a glance, their dreams finally taking flight. With every ascent, they rewrite the story of humanity. They crashed again and again, but now they soar. Humanity lifted into the sky, forever changed by their courage.